SolidWorks 2014 includes several new enhancements to help you showcase your models and bring your 3D geometry to life. You can now export your model, including motion studies, to an LXO file to be used with Modo, like Synology One non-rendering software, opening new possibilities. The current view can also be saved directly as a PNG file to be inserted into your PowerPoints or reports. They are even perfect for brochures thanks to multiple options that let you, for example, remove the background or increase the DPI dot per pixels. To better showcase your models, a realistic backdrop can be used. SolidWorks 2014 features new scenes and landscape that let you convey your ideas more clearly. These realistic environments are quickly accessible from the same convenient location and are grouped by type. They can also be stretched to accommodate any screen resolution. Additionally, when switching to the spherical environment, you can now flatten the floor for added realism and customize the environment size and horizon height. This way, your model doesn't appear to float. This pergola now rests on the ground like it's supposed to, with realistic shadows and reflections. PhotoView 360 has not been left behind either. SolidWorks 2014 integrates even more effects out of the box. A new cartoon option, for example, is available in the Property Manager and allows you to create cartoon renderings to make this model appear hand-drawn. Options such as line thickness and line color can also be modified to match your needs. Then, it's just a matter of generating the final rendering to explore new ways to promote your product. This, amongst other effects and post-processing capabilities offered by PhotoView 360, greatly limits the need to rely on a third-party software to create marketing collaterals. Some products, however, are meant to be used outside. A new type of light, called sunlight, can be easily set up and provides a realistic representation of sunlight based on a few parameters. After setting up the north direction with respect to the model, the geographic location or latitude and longitude can be defined, as well as the time zone, date, and time to simulate. The sun position, shadow, and lighting instantly update to reflect the changes. This is invaluable to evaluate how your design will look in different environments using life conditions. You can even create a solar axis study using the SolidWorks animator to simulate the movement of the sun as it passes over your model. Two types of solar axis studies are available. You can decide to display the path of the sun on a fixed and specific date across a range of time, or at a specific time across a range of dates. You can even specify a time range or simply select from sunrise to sunset. After the calculations are done, you can animate the solar axis study directly within SolidWorks. And with network rendering, now available for animations as well, you can quickly generate high-resolution, lifelike animations of this solar study. With best-in-class rendering technology and innovative tools, SolidWorks helps you better leverage your existing work to create more immersive experiences or to sell your design ideas to potential customers.